removing a system board assembly. Gently disengage every installed power supply unit. If necessary, remove the OCP modules. Remove the front top cover. Remove the rear top cover. Remove the following components: fan modules and fan cage, front air baffle, PCIe risers, rear air baffle, power distribution board, processor and heat sink modules, memory modules, serial port module, intrusion switch, USB I/O board, micro SD card. Disconnect all the cables from the system board assembly. Make a list of each cable and record the connectors the cables are connected to. Pull the plunger up to release the system board assembly. Hold the plunger and lifting handle, and then slide the system board assembly slightly towards the front of the server to disengage it from the chassis. Lift the longer side of the system board assembly, and then remove it from the chassis. The system board assembly is composed of the processor board and system I/O board. To separate the system I/O board from the processor board, unfasten the screws that connect them. Pinch the handle on the system I/O board and pull it outward to disengage it from the processor board.